Once again, welcome everyone to this Young Researchers Meet hosted by the Mechanical Engineering Department at Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. YRM kicks off a three-day symposium on experimental solid mechanics. The goal of YRM is to bring together researchers working in solid mechanics, both as speakers as well as participants. So given the cancellation of usual scheduled conferences at this time, considering the circumstances that we are in, this symposium will provide a necessary platform to discuss recent work. As I mentioned before, YRM inaugurates a symposium on experimental solid mechanics. This event by itself is an experiment. It's an experiment honoring Professor K.R. Yogendra Simha. Professor Simha, as he's more fondly called, has been a torchbearer for a rich tradition on experimental solid mechanics. I'm sure that a number of participants at this symposium have had close interactions with him over the years. It has been our pleasure to organize this event on the occasion of his retirement. I strongly urge you to check out his interview with my colleague, Dr. Navaneet Krishnan. The link to the interview is posted on the main page of the department as well as on the YRM page. As you will notice from the schedule, we have 5 talks from relatively recent PhD graduates. Their talks cover interesting aspects of recent developments in the area. And by chance or by coincidence, most of them concern what may be considered unconventional biological materials. A majority of them also highlight the importance of toughness as an important parameter in material design. The talks by the young researchers are sandwiched between lectures by Dr. Sundar and Professor Lisa Pruitt. They have a lot of experience mentoring young researchers in an industrial and an academic context, respectively. We are grateful to them for their participation here. YRM will conclude with a panel discussion on research and career opportunities in the ME department at IISc. The discussion will include details on application procedures, areas in which the department expects to grow, and will try to address many of the queries that hopefully you will bring up. As with any experiment, there are uncertainties in this one too, right? In case of technical difficulties, please keep an eye on the YRM website. In the unfortunate event of a speaker being unable to join, we will resume with the subsequent speaker at the designated time. Your participation is an essential aspect of this event. Please post your questions using the Q&A option. I will periodically show the schedule for the upcoming 2 talks